I was recently reviewing my color course over at Basic Filmmaker University, and I noticed two sections are particularly helpful: what to look for in a video editor and fundamental color correction. So I thought I would share those two for you right now. There are an absolute ton of video editing programs out there, and the two most popular are Adobe's Premiere Pro and Blackmagic Design's DaVinci Resolve, which I've linked to below this video. Video software is like cameras. Everyone has their favorite. It has become a fad among some who edit to tell everyone else to switch to the video editor they use and all the reasons why the video editor you use sucks, costs too much, or whatever. Don't play that game. Sure, you can ask for advice from others you trust, but if I listened to everyone who told me to switch to this and that, I would have spent the last 5 years switching and learning new video editors instead of just making videos. Learning a video editing system and becoming very skilled in it can take years, depending on how much time you devote to it. And the people who make this software are always adding new features to compete with the other video systems out there. So it's a constant learning process. Simply put, a good video editing system will allow you to do the following basic things. Bring your shot footage into the editor, your clips, chop those up, and render the final edits out in a variety of formats. That's the final video ready to deliver to a client, YouTube, or whatever. It will handle the footage from your camera, and yes, some video editing systems can't handle all types of camera footage, although the ones I've mentioned will. It will allow you to use transitions, that is, to do something like a fade or a slide from one clip to another. It will allow you to incorporate other audio, such as additional voiceovers and music, and do some basic tweaking on how it sounds. It will allow you to do basic special effects, such as isolating yourself when shot on a green screen and putting some spiffy background in. It will allow you to do titles and animations, such as this little dude. That's called the lower third, as it is vertically at the bottom third of the video. It will allow you to do basic color correction and grading and include a few simple tools. There's a lot more these video editors can do, but those are the basics. And if the video editor you are considering or using doesn't do those basic things, then indeed it is time to switch to something that works. If you have not settled on a video editor yet, I suggest you check out the links below this video, do your own research, and make your own decisions. A good video editor, no matter what the experts say, allows you to do one thing, in this case, create a completed video. How you get there is your choice. Here's how simple it is to correct the colors to match what we actually wanted. I've loaded my two indoor shots, one with the white balance set at tungsten indoors, which looks correct, and one at sunlight outdoors, which is not correct. I've also loaded my two outdoor shots, the correct sunlight white balance shot and the incorrect tungsten indoor shot. In Premiere Pro, the color correction tools are called Lumetri Color. In DaVinci Resolve, just choose the color option. You'll have color correction tools in your video editor too, so at this point, find where they live, in particular, the one that allows you to adjust the color temperature of your footage. Ignore that white balance selector for now. You have to have something in the shot first to make that happen. Notice below that, I have this thing called color temperature or temperature. If I move it to the left, it makes the temperature of the footage bluer, and to the right, more orange. Let's adjust this wrongly white balanced bluish indoor shot by eye so you understand what's happening here. I move slightly to change the temperature, white balance, of the entire color spectrum more towards blue until it looks like it should have. That looks okay to me, and again, we're not trying to be perfect here. Now let's do the same to the incorrectly white balance outdoor shot that was set to tungsten. It's way too blue, so let's move slightly towards orange until it looks correct. Ignore that white balance selector for now. You have to have something in the shot first to make that happen. Let's adjust this wrongly white balanced bluish indoor shot by eye so you understand what's happening here. That looks okay to me, and again, we're not trying to be perfect here. Now let's do the same to the incorrectly white balance outdoor shot that was set to tungsten.
It's way too blue, so let's move slightly towards orange until it looks correct. Cool, huh? You just did your first and the most common color correction. Nicely done.
Check out the color course over at Basic Filmmaker University. I hope that helps. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time. Blah 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 blah. How was that?
Perfect.
I'll be cutting that out.